ET Now caught up with the media reticent Sanjeev Bajaj of Bajaj Finserv. This is Sanjeev Bajaj's first interview since his company made its debut in the Nifty 50 index. Touted to be India's next financial services king. We also asked Sanjeev Bajaj what he's making of the various frauds, how India's banking system can be ring-fenced, and what it means for a company like Bajaj Finserv. Listen in.
To say that if a particular stock comes into the Nifty or into any particular index, what's the impact of that? For us, it only means it's a recognition of the way we've built Bajaj Finserv and the fact that it's come to a particular size. There's a particular amount of liquidity that's available on the stock. Of course, it is more widely held, or it will get more widely held as a result of this. But this in no way changes how we run the business.
Sir, the banking sector, talking about the banking sector, it's undergoing a situation of crisis. So how do you see it impacting the NBFCs? And there's also a lack of faith, I would say. So how do you see that faith coming back, and how does it impact the NBFCs?
We should not have one or two incidences ending up coloring our mind for the larger opportunity. If India has to grow at 8-9% and more, this can't happen without a solid, sound banking and financial services sector. And in any business, there is always some amount of risk that needs to be taken. And if you take some risk, you win at times, sometimes you may fail. We have to be able to separate that out from what is clear fraud. Where it's fraud, that must be investigated and proper action should be taken so that people know that such activities will not be tolerated. But that should not have an unintended spillover on not supporting the economy's growth.
And so what about the new RBI norms? How are you looking at it? Do you think it will affect your loan books or the NBFCs? How are you looking at it? What do you think of the new norms?
No, the norms will only create a sounder system. We all have to work within a set of regulations. Within that, I believe that there are tremendous opportunities, and regulations hopefully will evolve. So regulations also come in to take care of a particular situation at a particular point of time. And as things evolve, regulations evolve. We have seen, for example, since the financial crisis, now 10 years ago, a whole set of regulations come in the West, and most of them have gone as well. So this is something that happens at a particular point of time. I think we have to see that we are aligned to the right regulations and focus on building our business.